Hostas make effective ground cover plants and will inhibit weeds in darker, shady corners of the garden. But it is undeniable that slugs and snails love hosta leaves and can cover them in unsightly, slimy holes. The use of slug pellets as the leaves emerge will solve the problem if applied regularly, but you may prefer more natural means of control. Methaldehyde pellets are now being withdrawn from the market, but ferric phosphate based pellets are recommended as being more wildlife friendly. A sharp gravel mulch around the crown will deter them, but you will still need to be vigilant. Check the crown and leaves in early morning and in wet conditions. Picking off any culprits will help to contain the problem.